Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the barrel in your fingers. Grip near the center so you avoid bending the shaft. Once secured, twist the old Swiss point tip counterclockwise while steadying the barrel. This prevents thread damage. You should inspect the shaft end and tip threads for burrs or dirt because debris causes loosened tips mid-game. Make sure you have matching spares and a small 2.03 5 mm wrench available, since some tips require light torque to remove without stripping. You now remove the old tip fully and examine the barrel seat and shaft threads. Once done, clean both mating surfaces with alcohol. A soft cloth removes oils and grime that prevent a secure fit. If the shaft has a slight bend, straighten it gently. Small corrections saved with fingers often avoid replacement. You may apply a tiny drop of thread locker for permanent seating or light oil for removable fit. Choose based on whether you want future swaps to be. You install the new Swiss point by hand starting it clockwise, feeling for smooth engagement. This prevents cross-threading. Once it seats, tighten gently with a wrench until snug. Do not over-torque because you can strip threads or fracture the shaft. After installation, throw a few practice darts to confirm alignment and stability. If you notice wobble, undo the tip, re-clean the threads, and try again. If looseness persists, replace the shaft or the barrel seat. This solves most recurring problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.